Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to connect IR sensor, which is an infrared sensor, with the Raspberry Pi. This is the Raspberry Pi which we are using. It is a Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. This is the breadboard which we will implement the connections on. This is the main component of this project. It is the IR sensor, which is also an infrared sensor. As we can see, it has 3 pins: VCC, ground, and output, which is also a data pin. We also require some set of jumper wires. You can take any color, but for coordination we have taken the similar kind of colors. As you can see, it is a male to female jumper wires. Now I will show you how these are a set of components which will be required for this project. Now I will show you how to implement it on the breadboard. We will take jumper wire and connect it anywhere on the breadboard. We will take the red wire and implement it on the 3.3 voltage pin on the Raspberry Pi, which is the second pin from the top. And we will take the black wire and connect it besides it. It is for the ground wire, and connect it on the besides the 40th pin, which is from the bottom left. And we will take the yellow pin and connect it besides the black wire, and implement it on the besides the black wire, which is the 40th pin on the Raspberry Pi. Now we will take another 3 set of wires. For the yellow wire, you can connect in the red side. I'll make these connections afterwards. Then stick the black wire besides the orange wire. Take the yellow for the yellow for coordination. Stick it besides the black wire. Now I will take these 3 wires and connect it with the IR sensor. The orange is for the VCC. The yellow is for the output, and the black is for the ground. As you can see, our IR sensor is started, and you can see it is fully functional. As soon as I keep my hand in hand, it is detecting and light is turning on. So this is the final implementation of the project. Now I will show you how to do the software part of this project. This is the code which will be required. First we will import the GPIO pins as GPIO, then import the time model from the sleep. From the time model we will import sleep. For the set mode, we will use the GPIO board, which are the set of pins numbering of the Raspberry Pi, like from pin 1 to pin 48. And we will give the variable like say sensor pin to pin 48, which is our yellow pin, output one, yellow wire. And we will set up the sensor pin to a GPIO is input, and we'll go into a loop for truth value. As soon as the sensor is detecting, it will start go into a loop. And we'll take the variable I, so put it in the sensor input for GPIO, and loop it while the I value is true. It will print motion is not detected. We'll sleep for 1 second, and then we'll take the else if command to show that it has stopped detected. Then you will take the else if command to show that motion is getting detected, and we'll clean up GPIO. Now I will run it and show you how it is working. I will run it and show you how it is working. As you can see, motion is not getting detected. Now I will place my hand in front of the IR sensor and it will show the motion is getting detected. You can see now the motion is getting detected. I will do it again. You can see the motion getting detected, the light will turn on and it will display motion is detected. You can even further modify it and extend it by implementing the alarms and buzzers for more detection. Which I will show you in the next video. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.